We were talking a little bit back and forth, and then you went ahead and sent me a link of kind of like your story, and I thought it was interesting, and I just was wondering if you could kind of share how everything happened, you know, when you started back in 2020.
Before the COVID-19, I had like 200 subscribers on YouTube, so all I needed to have was a strategy, and that's when I started the YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts does the magic, so I started posting about football niche. For the first few weeks, it wasn't getting a lot of views, but suddenly one of my videos went viral. It was a Roberto Carlos video, so it hit 1 million, and yeah, that's when the subscribers started shooting. And in 1 month, I gained like 3K subscribers.
Bro, that's wild.
My other videos started peaking from there, and another video of mine hit 1 million, and I had like 3 videos in 1 million.
So what did you do differently that like those videos went ahead and hit 1 million?
For me, what I can say is consistency and posting on one niche. Posted only on football.
Do you play a lot of football too?
Yeah, I play football at defensive mid.
I played back in high school, but it was like for the town. It was only 11th and 12th grade. I played midfield, and then I played defensive left. I saw your channel and everything, and I was going through it. Like, what happened to the shorts? You just wanted to get rid of them, and so they're not on the channel anymore?
So what happened is my total views was 5 million, and my subscribers was now at 5K subscribers. And so when I went to the monetization tab, I don't know if I was unlucky, but I couldn't get monetized because of YouTube views. And the only views and hours that mattered for monetization was views and hours from normal videos and from live videos. So yeah, so that's when I started doing the live videos to get the watch hours. And so the YouTube Shorts, once I pressed monetize, they started reviewing my channel, and yeah, I didn't pass the monetization test, and I was hit with the reused content. So
you had to like basically start over again?
Yeah, I had to delete all of my shorts. It was very painful because I had millions of views in shorts. What I did was post with the TikTok logo so that I couldn't, so it was like a watermark for me. Yeah, so that when people, you know, many people used to download my videos, so I had to put watermark, so that's how I used TikTok.
You had to put your own watermark afterwards.
Yeah, but that's where I messed myself. So I had to delete all of these shorts that I had on my channel, and I deleted over 5 million views.
Oh, bro, that must have hurt.
Yeah, that was painful, but that was the only way I could get monetized. So my live videos had reached 4,000 watch hours because I was streaming every day. I used to stream every day, 1 hour for like 80 days.
How did it feel going like all the way from like almost making it to having to restart again and then having to grind every single day just to stream? Like how was your mindset there? Like how did you push through?
I don't give up easily. YouTube tried to stop. I don't know if using stop will be a good word, but YouTube, I don't know if I'll say torture. So so they tried a lot of things, including refusing to monetize me because of YouTube views and because of using shorts which had logos of TikTok. But I don't give up easily. So I kept on grinding, man. After they hit me with the reused content, they gave me 30 days to edit my channel, and that included also deleting some videos that was against the YouTube guidelines. And one of the don'ts of reused content is do not use another brand logo on your YouTube. So if you use the logo like TikTok or InShot, it will count as reused content. They gave me 30 days. I deleted all of those views, and yeah, I was actually tensed up when the day reached, and I pressed reapply. So they reviewed my channel again for 24 hours, and yeah, that's when I got it. I received an email from YouTube Like, welcome, congratulations, you're now part of the YouTube Partner Program.
Bro, that feeling is always the best feeling.
Yeah, I stopped doing shorts because shorts doesn't pay, and videos and live videos does count for pay.
But I mean, for shorts, since they are changing the monetization for 2023, would you start focusing on shorts as well too?
I'll need to post shorts again because shorts are the ones which built me. For the 2023 monetization of shorts will be life-changing, even to some other channels, other small channels. And yeah, I'll keep on posting, and I'll start posting shorts again. But right now I know the correct method. I wouldn't use any song on my shorts, because all YouTube requires is originality and creativity.
At least you learned like the hard way. Now you know, like you're not gonna do that again.
Yeah, I didn't used to know all of this. I had to learn it the hard way.
Were you also gonna do like I don't know, maybe like some reacts kind of thing? I remember when, like, I don't know if you watch KSI, but I remember he used to do that, you know, back in the day.
Yeah,
bro.
I like KSI a lot.
Yeah, alright.
And yeah, that time he was young. He used to play FIFA also on his channel. That time he was still young. He used to play even FIFA on his channel.
Yeah, oh no, yeah, that was in the beginning. He like, I mean, you see all these big YouTubers kind of like shifting from like different types of things, and then he goes to like do like music industry, and now like
now
more react.
boxing.
Oh yeah, boxing, and then promoting his Drink with Logan Paul Prime.
It all started in his bedroom, man.
I mean, that's how everybody starts, like in the bedroom or in the basement or like in the garage or whatever, and then you like grow little by little. Keep up your consistency, because you were able to do that for 2 years. So I know you made it to the monetized stage, but don't give up. Keep always like trying different things. Keep improving and just seeing what works, because the streaming got you there, but you know, you have to keep innovating and doing different things just to make sure in the upcoming months, upcoming years, you still stay relevant and you continue growing. Because I mean, you seem like, you know, you have a long ways ahead of you, and you know, you just got a taste of actually being able to, you know, grow, and you know, use shorts to your advantage. So props to you for getting that, and you know, I hope you do really, really well in the future, man.
Thank you, bro. It's a pleasure being here, and I appreciate